Talking in English is so easy. Learning to talk in English can be fun and simple if you take the right steps. Many people think it is difficult to learn English, but it is not as hard as it seems. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and with a little practice, anyone can learn to speak it confidently. Why is English easy to learn? English is everywhere. We hear English in movies, songs, and on the internet. Many common words like computer, hotel, or pizza are the same in many languages. This makes it easier to understand and learn new words. English grammar is also simpler compared to some other languages. For example, English verbs do not change as much as they do in languages like French or Spanish. In English, you can say, I eat, you eat, we eat. Only the third person changes slightly. He eats, she eats. This makes learning grammar easier for beginners. Start with simple words and sentences. The first step to speaking English is learning simple words and phrases. For example, start with greetings. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Then, learn to introduce yourself. My name is Altaf. I am from Pakistan. Practice asking and answering basic questions. What is your name? Where are you from? You do not need to know big words or complex sentences at first. Start small, and with practice, you will improve. Practice every day. Practice makes perfect. To become good at speaking English, you should practice every day. Here are some simple ways to practice. Talk to yourself. When you are alone, try to talk to yourself in English. For example, I am cooking dinner. I will go to the market tomorrow. Listen to English. Watch English movies or listen to songs. Try to repeat what you hear. This will help you learn the correct pronunciation. Practice with friends. Find someone who also wants to learn English. Practice speaking together. Do not worry about making mistakes. The more you speak, the better you will get. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a part of learning. When you learn any new skill, like riding a bike or cooking, you make mistakes at first. The same is true for speaking English. Do not feel shy or embarrassed. Every mistake helps you learn something new. For example, if you say, she go to school, someone might correct you, she goes to school. This correction helps you remember the right way to say it next time. So, mistakes are good for learning. Learn common phrases. Learning common phrases will make it easier to talk in English. Some examples of useful phrases are, can you help me? Where's the bathroom? How much does this cost? These phrases are used in daily life and will help you communicate in simple situations. Use technology to learn. Today, many apps and websites can help you learn English. Some popular apps include Duolingo, Babbel, and HelloTalk. These apps make learning fun and easy. You can also watch YouTube videos like English with Altaf to learn English step by step. Read simple books. Reading books written for beginners can also improve your English. Start with children's books because they use easy words and sentences. For example, the cat is on the mat. The boy plays with the ball. Reading helps you learn new words and understand how sentences are formed. Learn basic grammar. You do not need to know all the rules of grammar to start speaking English, but learning some basic grammar will help. For example, tenses. Present, I eat. Past, I ate. Future, I will eat. Articles. Use a or an before singular nouns. A dog, an apple. Use the for specific things. The sun, the moon. Pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. With these basics, you can start making sentences. Be patient and have fun. Learning English is a journey. It takes time, so be patient with yourself. Celebrate small successes, like learning 5 new words or speaking a full sentence in English. The more fun you have while learning, the faster you will improve. Join an English learning group. If you can, join a group or class where people practice speaking English. Being around others who are also learning will motivate you. You can also learn from their questions and mistakes. Keep a journal in English. Write about your day in English. Start with simple sentences. Today I went to the park. I ate rice for lunch. Writing helps you practice what you have learned and improves your confidence. Learn to ask questions. Asking questions is a big part of speaking any language. Practice these. What time is it? Where are you going? Can you repeat that, please? When you ask questions, you can start conversations and learn more. Listen and repeat. When you hear someone speaking English, try to repeat what they say. This will help you improve your pronunciation and understand how sentences are formed. Conclusion. Talking in English is not as hard as it seems. Start with simple words, practice every day, and do not be afraid of making mistakes. Use the resources around you, like books, apps, and videos, to make learning fun. With time and effort, you will be able to speak English fluently. Remember, practice and patience are the keys to success. You can do it.